Alright everybody, welcome to another episode of Unique Adventures. So we are doing a special segment here. We are hitting a major milestone. My nephew Wyatt is going to tell us what we're celebrating.
100th subscriber.
That's right, Wyatt was our 100th subscriber. We are now past 100. So we've passed our 100th subscriber. We're going to be doing a contest and a giveaway coming up in the next couple of weeks. We want to thank everybody for the support. And we're out here in Utah, and we've been camping and we've been doing adventures and having a good time, and you'll see those in the next couple of weeks. Niece and nephew got their Unique Adventure shirts. You'll be seeing those in the next couple of episodes. And anything else you want to tell them?
Have a good day.
What about you, Y?
Have a freaking good day.
All right, make sure if you're not yet, make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you're subscribed to our channel so that we can keep growing this channel more and more. And we'll see you in the next video.
Bye. Bye. Bye.